Hey everybody, Rich Noto here, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, Florida licensed notary public with a loan signing agent certification, your construction trained realtor. And I just came from a home inspection at a different builder, and that house was at the pre-drywall stage, so I was over there inspecting it, and I didn't really expect to stop here, but it was kind of on the way, and I decided, you know what, I'm going to stop. It's a hot day here in Florida. Right now we are in Minneola at Meritage, and this is Cyrene, I think that's how you say it. Cyrene, something like that. Anyway, this house is the Birch. I thought it was kind of worthwhile to kind of check out the back. Kind of cool looking. That's the way that's shaped. And of course, if you've been watching my videos, you know the most important thing in the process is always construction. You want to have an understanding of construction so you could have a well-built house, and that's what I do for my customers. And that's one of the things that separates me from the realtors that are only realtors, that don't have any certifications, training, licensing that's based around construction. I'm able to help my customers with inspections and identifying defects, which again, I just came from the inspection, and well, not horrible, but not great. Let's go inside and check out this house called the Birch. So I'm excited about this. I think I've seen a Birch. I'm not sure, but I think so. Let's go in and have a look. And of course my service is essentially free to you because it's builder paid. Every builder sets how much they're going to pay the realtor based on the house. Again, it's builder paid. And I like the color of the house. I really have a thing lately for these colors that are not like too saturated, I guess you could say. They're kind of like a almost like a faded color, I guess. But I like it. It's like a greenish color or like an aqua color. Now I don't know what the camera's going to show, but I do like it. All right. So definitely some upgrades right away. You can see the flooring and some pretty decent space over here. Let's see what we have. Got the coat closet, which is now a sign closet. This is also the sales office, so I happen to know the sales guy over here from years back. It's nice enough to let me make the video. I appreciate that. I'm just going to start over here. I know I kind of just bolted. We got the half bathroom. Oh, it's a big garage. Look at this. I'm saying, you know, look at how much space is on the side of the garage door. You know, standard is kind of like here, and a good size is like here. And now you got all this extra. So, and it's on both sides. Oh, I like this. Yeah, look at all that. I think I have a video of a birch, or I've seen a birch, unless I'm confusing the name. But again, take a look at that. Look at all that space. You got that big indent over there. Yeah, just a lot of space. So again, here's the half bath. And the pantry. So this is a great kitchen for a house this size because, first of all, you have all this countertop space right here, right? Plus you have the countertop space that's all over here where the oven is. Plus you have this island, which is really good. And also too, there's a very decent amount of cabinets as well on both sides. Now let's take a look at your lanai, aka the covered patio. This is nice that there's a landing. Very nice, I like this. It's different. I'm just going to continue this way. We'll go towards the end and work our way back. Oh, this is a huge master bedroom. Look at that. And a big, big bathroom. You notice it got two bigs out of me. Yeah, it's nice. Nice amount of space. Good floor space. Toilet in the closet room. And you got a big towel closet too. Look at the size of this thing. And what do we have here? Nice big master bedroom closet as well. Nice shower. It's got that one-piece shower pan. I like that. Let's look out toilet in the closet room. I forgot I was ready there. I can't believe how big this master bedroom is. It's mind-blowing. And a big laundry room too. Look at this. Meritage uses spray foam in the attic. I just like how this feels. And what's this? Oh, half bathroom. Oh, that's nice. That's a lot of countertop space next to the sink. Oh, and it's a bathtub. So full bathroom. Full bathroom, big towel closet. And big bedroom. And here's a closet. Nice size walk-in closet. And another bedroom. How many bedrooms does this have? 4? Wow. 4 big bedrooms. Oh, and another walk-in closet. Look at that. Okay, so let's walk out and talk about this house. What do I think about it? I like it. I like it. The only thing so far that I'm seeing, that if you've been watching my videos, you know how I love to have a bathtub or a shower on the first floor as well. That's probably the only thing that it's lacking, I guess. Maybe not. And a bedroom down there, but a lot of people don't need that. So what are you getting? You're getting walk-in closets in every bedroom. You got this great loft here, and what I like about this loft is that it'd be really nice for home theater, because you could put speakers around this wall over here if you're going to sit like somewhere over here, or you could kind of somehow put some more speakers over this way on the sides. Nice loft. I like the shape, and of course these bedrooms are great. Really nice sized bedrooms. And let's see. The laundry room. Another nice big room as well. And the master bedroom's kind of mind-blowing. Let's put this up high. Oh, am I hitting the wall? A little bit. Yeah, just a huge master bedroom. What is not to like about this master bedroom? It's just a huge rectangle. And if you didn't need it for a master bedroom and you wanted to use it for something else, it's an amazing room. And then, lastly, big bathroom. A lot of big rooms in here. Yeah, this loft just feels nice and comfortable. I like it. And I like the stairs too. If you've been watching my videos, you know I like when there's a landing. Landing is great because especially if you have older relatives or people that really can't, walk up, 100 stairs all at once. That's what's great about it. And the kitchen areas, kitchen, living room, and dining room area. Lots of space. So great house. I like it. The Birch from Meritage, a bungalow-style house. Please check out my website at richnotohomes.com. Hope everyone has a fantastic day.
At richnotohomes.com, find the house you're looking for in Central Florida, Orlando, Kissimmee area. Are you interested in a full-time living residential house or a vacation home? Investing in a rental income property? Thinking about selling your home? Look no further than richnotohomes.com. Dependable help from start to finish. Don't make a mistake along the way. Go to richnotohomes.com.